Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Sennheiser TV Clear Earbuds 2 or TVC2 earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these earbuds not connecting to Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, or if they're not syncing or pairing with your device, or if you're only getting sound out of one ear, out of the left ear for example, this hard reset to the factory default settings can fix a lot of these issues. The other reason is if you want to set these earbuds up on a new device and you just want to get a fresh start by deleting all the pairing history, we can go ahead and do that really easily. All we're going to do is put the earbuds in the case as shown here and make sure they're charging properly, they're seated in there properly. And all we're going to do then is we're just going to come in and we're going to press the pairing button in the middle of the case. We're just going to press and hold it for 2 seconds until you see this light turn blue. And then you're just going to wait until all 3 of these light indicators flash blue, and once that happens, we're going to come back and we're going to double tap then our pairing button, tap, tap, and that will initiate the factory reset. And when the factory reset, just let it do its thing. When it's done, this will flash orange, indicating the reset's done. You can go ahead and set your earbuds up like a new set of earbuds.